ma'am. Thank you so much for coming in today. I really appreciate you taking the time to meet with me today.
Good morning, sir. Thank you also for inviting me.
Yes, I wanted to talk about Mika's progress, ma'am, in class and how we continue to support her development together. So first, I'd like to share some positive things about Mika. She is a very energetic child. She enjoys participating in activities, and especially those that involve movement and group play.
Yes, sir. She is really active even at home.
Oh, so that's wonderful to hear. She also shows creativity and curiosity, which are great strengths at her age, ma'am.
Mm.
However, ma'am, I've also observed some challenges to Mika. Sometimes has difficulty focusing during lessons and completing tasks. There are also instances where her action become a bit too energetic and she unintentionally hurts her classmates during play.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry to hear that.
Please don't worry, ma'am. The behaviors are quite common among young children, but it is important that we address them early to support her learning and social development. May I ask, ma'am, if you have noticed similar behavior at home?
Yes, sir. She is very playful and sometimes hard to control, especially when she gets too excited. She also has trouble sitting still when doing homework.
Oh, thank you for sharing that, ma'am. It really helps me understand her situation better. I understand that managing a very active child can be challenging. You're doing your best, ma'am, and we're here to support you as well.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate that.
Of course, our goal is to help Mika grow in a positive and supportive environment, ma'am. Now, ma'am, I would like to suggest some strategies that we can try both school at home if you are really interested for it.
Yes, sir. I'm willing to try anything that can help her.
Oh, that's great, ma'am. First, we can give her a short and clear instruction so it's clear for her to follow. Next one, ma'am, is having a consistent routine may help her stay focused. And lastly, is we can use positive reinforcement, like praising her when she behaves well.
That sounds helpful. I can try doing that at home too.
Okay, ma'am. Also, since she has a lot of energy, we can allow short breaks so she can move around safely. This may reduce restlessness.
Yeah, yes, she likes moving around. That might help her.
Okay, ma'am. So, we can also guide her in learning how to play safely in her classmates and express her emotions properly.
I agree, sir. I also want her to improve her behavior.
Oh, that's great, ma'am. If we work together and stay consistent, I believe we will see improvement in Mika's behavior.
Yes, sir. I will support her at home as well.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for that. But I will monitor her progress in class and give you updates regularly.
Thank you, sir. I would really appreciate that.
Okay, ma'am. If needed, we can also reschedule another meeting to check on her development if may nagbago ba or wala. So, that's all, ma'am. Thank you for your time and cooperation. It's a big help for Mika.
Thank you also, sir, for your concern and guidance.
Yes, ma'am. You're very welcome. Please feel free to reach out anytime.
I will, sir. Have a good time.
Oh, have a great day as well, ma'am. Thank you very much for your time today.